Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English, my YouTube channel where I help you improve your level of English. This is my new phrasal verb series where I will teach you about a new phrasal verb every week. Phrasal verbs are verbs that consist of a verb and one or sometimes even two particles. The particles can change the meaning of the verb. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about 3 very common phrasal verbs that we use when we're talking about spending time with people. The first phrasal verb is meet up. To meet up with someone means to meet another person in order to do something together. For example, tonight I'm going to meet up with Emily for dinner. Do you want to meet up for coffee next week? Laura met up with George for dinner last night. The second phrasal verb is hang out. To hang out somewhere means to spend a lot of time in a place. Or to hang out with someone means to spend time with that person. For example, Jessica loves to hang out at the gym and watch the guys lift weights. John hangs out with Victor every Friday night. Are we hanging out tomorrow afternoon? The third phrasal verb is get together. To get together is to arrange a meeting with 2 or more people. For example, let's get together for Christmas drinks next Saturday. Should the family get together to celebrate Dad's birthday on Sunday? To get together can also mean to start a romantic relationship with someone. Gina and Gary got together 3 years ago and they are still very happy. Now I want you to practice using one of the phrasal verbs we just learned in the comment section of this video. Who do you like to hang out with most? Are you going to meet up with anyone this weekend? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English.